morning, good morning, good morning. Day one of VlogMas on today. Just waking up. And we are about to take the dog out. We about to take the dog out. She always want to get up and get out early in the morning. Hurry up, dog, go potty. All right. So now I'm about to get up, get dressed real quick, because we about to hike this mountain. All right. All right, let me find me some doggone pants, workout pants I'm wearing this morning. We'll roll with the green and black. Let's throw these on real quick. Then, go sit down. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So I had to get dressed real quick because I'm meeting up with Monica today for an early morning hike, and I'm late. She got off work at like 6 o'clock, and I'm already barely getting up and over there, but it's okay. We about to go on an early morning hike this morning. If you are not already, it's kind of dark out here. Y'all see me in a little bit. Go ahead, like and subscribe, because you know it's free. That's it, it's free. I don't cost you nothing. Just go ahead, like and subscribe. You know, and we about to head up to North Mountain this morning. This is what she chose, so we about to head up to North Mountain and get an early morning hike in. Am I tired? Yeah, I'm a little tired. Shoot, I don't even want to low-key get up here and do it, but that's when you do it, when you don't feel like it. So give me a second here. I'll get up in this car. Oh, tripping. All right. So, safety first, y'all. Always put your seatbelt on, okay? First, before you do anything. Because at any given time, anything could happen. So, let's turn that down. So, all right, so you know, hit y'all when I get there. All right, y'all, so we got up here to the mountain. Ooh, had to park on a little slant. That's the only thing I hate about up here is that, well, I'm on a hill, but you know, had to park on it. I don't know where Monica's at. She's somewhere. I don't know where. Hopefully she ain't go without me. But Like I said, y'all already know what it is. Like, share, and subscribe. It's free. Y'all have to do much to it. Oh, there she go. She about to get about this car. We about to do this good mountain. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do today. Just get a good mountain work in and relax. Today is my relaxed day, so I had to start somewhere. Well, hope she ever got this car. All right, here, let me show y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, girl. What's going on? I like them, that Raider sweater. I like how they beat them Cowboys. So, you know, we good this morning.
I was like, y'all better come through with the win.
Right.
It's a great turkey day.
Exactly. I got something in my eye. I fell out this morning. And I tried to put it back in. Yeah, I did sleep with them. I typically always sleep in my contacts. I know that's not right. Don't sleep in your contacts. But I did it. Oh. All right, we're about to get started. See y'all half at the top. All right, y'all. So we made it to the top. As you can see, I'm tired. I'm wore out. Monica, she got it together. So, I don't know. But that's the whole thing. That's the whole completion for this morning. I'm about to head back down. And y'all see I'm crying.
I was about to say,
I'm crying, shit. But y'all see the beautiful sun. Look at what it looks like early in the morning. It looks so beautiful out here. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing for today. I just wanted to bring y'all in on today, you know. All right, so yeah, so this is day 13 of Mega Phase on the verge to day 1 of our Vlogmas. Like I said, so yeah, this is day 13 of our Mega Phase and our Mega Phase period, but this is our day 1 of our Vlogmas. We're doing 25 days of Christmas. Y'all stay tuned. You know, I'm about to wrap it up. So holla at your girl. Hey.